Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng Father's Day, ibinida ng First Family ang best quality ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. bilang haligi ng kanilang tahanan. Alamin sa report ni Clazel Pardilla.
Binati ni First Lady Liza Arneta Marcos si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ng Happy Father's Day kahapon, araw ng mga ama. Sa kanyang Instagram at Facebook post, tinawag ng unang ginang ang presidente na love of my life. Hindi lamang anya kahangahangang ama si Pangulong Marcos, kundi itinuturing ding puso ng kanilang tahanan. Pinasalamatan ng unang ginang ang Pangulo sa pagiging kalmado nito sa anumang gulo at pagiging hari ng kanilang tahanan. Love you forever ang sweet na mensahe ng unang ginang kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Kalakip ang kanilang family picture at mga larawan ng presidente kasama kanyang mga anak. April 17, 1993, nang magpakasal ang first couple sa Italy at nabiyayaan ng 3 anak na sina Ilocos Norte 1st District Representative Sandro Marcos, Joseph Simon Marcos at William Vincent Ovini Marcos.
Hi Dad, happy Father's Day. I'm just here to tell you that you're the best possible father I could ever have, and thank you so much for being there. I couldn't have got anywhere without you. I love you so much.
My favorite bonding moments with my dad are just the time we spend together doing something. Whether it's kayaking or just watching TV, basta being together like in the same room is really nice. Happy Father's Day, Pop. Thanks for always being there for me, and thanks for being someone that I can always look up to.
Mainit na pinasalamatan at binigyang pugay ni Congressman Sandro Marcos ang mga tatay ngayong Father's Day. Everyday heroes anya ang mga ama.
Hey Pop, happy Father's Day. Thank you so much for everything that you do for the family, for everything that you do for us, your constant guidance. It's an honor for me to learn from you on a daily basis, and thank you for everything that you do for the country and for standing up for what you believe is right, for being resolute in the face of adversity. And I hope that despite your busy schedule, that you can at least hopefully find some time to rest. I couldn't ask for a better dad, I couldn't ask for a better mentor, and I couldn't ask for anyone better.
Sa kanyang Facebook post, makikita ang throwback photo ni Sandro, katabi at nakaakbay sa kanyang ama na si Pangulong Marcos Jr. noong bata pa. Kasama rin sa litrato ang larawan ni Sandro ngayong mambabatas na siya, kasama ang kanyang ama na ngayon ay pinakamataas na opisyal ng bansa. Tampok din sa post ang picture ng kanyang lolo na si dating Pangulong Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Clazel Pardilla para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.